So when you complete a task, all you have to do is go to the progress/status dropdown, select done. It'll be removed automatically from your task list and be added to the bottom of your done tab. And I got a question asking how to set it up where multiple status options will send the task to the done tab instead of just one. And it's probably easier than you'd think to make this adjustment. So let me show you how to do it. So we'll go to extensions and then app script. And right here in the top section where you see done, we're going to select right before if and right after the curly bracket, and then hit copy and put a break right after that curly bracket and paste what we just copied. We'll change done to whatever that new option will be. So I'll put completed here. Then we'll go down to the bottom section and right before if all the way down to the second curly bracket, we'll copy, then paste it right after that second curly bracket. We'll change the first done to the new option. We'll leave the second done as done because that's actually just the name of the tab that we're moving the task to. And then we'll go to the top and save it. Now back on our spreadsheet, we need to add the new option. So I'll click on the drop down, then select the pencil. Then I'll add another item and I'll put that option that we just put in the code. And I'll move that to wherever I want it to be, then hit done, then hit apply to all. So now that option is part of the done tab. And if we select that new option, it will be removed from this list and moved to the bottom of the done tab. And just like last time, if we select done, it will work just the same. And if we go to our done tab, you'll see both of those present. And on our visualization sheet, everything is accounted for. If you like this video, follow Sheets by Olin for more.